Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkoswa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Siyibonile video ya Felix Hlophe le-circulator kulapha etinkundleni tokuxhumana athuka bantu bakamakhelwane wakhe ngemva kokuthi umfati wakhe Tracy Smith Hlophe abalekele ngamakhelwane because apparently kuthiwa uFelix Hlophe uyamhlukubeda. Ugirl wadecide ukubaleka Nkosi yamhlathi ngo-24 December 2025 wabalekela kamakhelwane for safety. So wafika laphana uFelix wakhoza ihavoc wabathuka njengoba sibonile kule video lengi-uploadile. Uthe ngemva kokuthi atibone kokuthi hayibo uyatrenda lapha etinkundleni tokuxhumana, bantu bayamgceka, abantu bayatibuta ukuthi kahle kahle silwane lesinjani Felix. Wadecide yena ne-team yakhe ukuthi bagijime damage control, bakhiphe statement labaqhaza khona ukuthi what really happened, nangokuthi thina lolo sikubone laphana ngazothi akusiko leli sikubonile tindalizange tibe worse njengoba sibonile ku-video. Hayibo Felix uthini manje? Statement sakhona sifundzeka ngale ndlela. This statement serves to formally acknowledge statements that have been made about me on social media by an associate of my wife. I am aware of these statements and I have referred the matter to my legal representatives for advice. The events in question occurred on the 24th of December 2025 following the public circulation of news relating to my personal life. My wife accepted an invitation from a friend to take some time away with our children, accompanied by my mother-in-law. I went to fetch my wife and children. During this interaction, emotion ran high on all sides and unfortunate confrontations took place, but there was no physical violence. The video clips currently circulating online do not reflect the full context of situation and presents only a partial version of events. Ayigcina ngalapho ke incwadi ya Felix Hlophe iqhubekile yathi Security and South African Police Services were called as a precaution. Both the private security personnel and SAPS officers present expressed concerns about the nature of insults directed at my mother-in-law during the exchange. No arrests were made. Despite the distressing moments, my wife and children returned home safely. We spent Christmas together peacefully, joyfully as a family, including my mother-in-law. I would like to thank everyone who has reached out with messages of concern and support, and I can confirm that there is order and my family is on good terms. Tracy and I have consciously chosen peace over conflict, respect over resentment, and unity over division. We remain committed to handling our personal matters privately with dignity and care for our family. Thank you for your understanding. Wishing you and your families a great festive season. Felix Hlophe. So Felix Hlophe la siyabona ukuthi he was really trying to do a damage control ngemva kokuthi abone ukuthi uyatrenda lapha etinkundleni tokuxhumana, abantu babamba ngaphansi emlungu ukuthi hayibo kahle kahle umuntu lo njani kahle kahle Felix. People were so shocked ukuthi hayibo kuma festive so nabantu kufanele bajabule nemindeni yakhe, yena wentela Tracy drama, yena uhlokobeta Tracy. People are just saying ukuthi igagasi FM kufuna ibukisise indzaba ya Felix because usebenza njani lo muntu laphana ku-radio station abahlokometa mfati. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.